Alright, today I wanted to make a video about how you get the inner barrel out of this Glocks. People don't seem to find out how to do it, so here's a small video about it. I'm gonna cut the video so I have the barrel in my hands, otherwise this video will be demonetized. And we don't want that, of course. So, we'll be right back. Alright, we got the barrel here. People don't seem to understand how you get those out. You see those pins here that blocks it. You just push with some force, like a lot of force actually. Still BB in there. You need a lot of force when it's pretty much hurt your finger. Maybe you need a tool like a hammer. You don't want to break anything. As you can see, that thing just keeps it from falling out. You can also put a screwdriver in there, but you don't want to break it. So I'm gonna get a hammer and see if that works. Alright, we got a hammer. See? It's out. You want to be really careful if you use the hammer or a screwdriver. You don't want to break it. As you can see, the black barrel, and we got the inner barrel. I mean, this is the inner barrel. This is just the barrel. We put it back. If it doesn't go back. Oh, well, it does. As you can see, it's back. Maybe now it goes easier when you already did it. Let's see. Nope. So just use your hammer again. And it's out. Very simple. Like I said, you don't want to damage it too much. As you can see, I didn't really damage it. And there you go. Back in. If you got any other questions, let me know. Thanks.